What is the name of a 4.5-liter bottle of wine? How do you call this large format wine bottle size? Well, 4.5-liter, if you followed my guide to all the different wine bottle sizes, you already understand that a Magnum is twice the size of a standard 750 ml bottle of wine. A Magnum is 1.5 liters, so this 4.5 liters is going to be 3 times the size of a Magnum, and that's 6, the equivalent of 6 bottles of wine or 30 wine glasses. So how do you call this huge, enormous, ginormous wine bottle size? Well, it is generally called a Rehoboam, after an Israelite king. Actually, he was the king or the son of King Solomon, and his name translates into he who enlarges the people. So you can understand why they've named this big, large bottle size a Rehoboam. Now, be careful. This Rehoboam, this 4.5-liter wine bottle, is in Bordeaux called a Jeroboam. And a Jeroboam in Champagne is only a 3-liter bottle of wine. But generally speaking, you'll be safer calling your large format wine bottle size a Rehoboam, not a Jeroboam. That's only if you're having a bottle of Bordeaux wine. All a little bit confusing, but the simple answer is that a 4.5-liter bottle of wine is called a Rehoboam, and now you know why. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Check out my full complete guide and tutorial to all the wine bottle sizes, link in the description below, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, bye bye, ciao.